Okay, so today we're going to discuss about Smart Micro Garden by Sprouts.io, the best garden for black thumbs. It's made by me, John Alfred Nicotingson, and Carl Aaron Tolentino. So Sprouts.io is an IoT device that assists the user in monitoring and maintaining his or her plant using advanced mechanical and electronic methods. So these are the project descriptions based off the developers of Sprouts.io. So they say it grows indoors year-round, soil-free with Sprouts.io, smart microgarden that learns from you. The Sprouts.io system utilizes high-performance technology and machine learning software to grow personal produce, fruits, and vegetables cultivated to your taste according to settings you customize. Fresh produce is now available anytime, any place through an automated and transparent growing process, which requires a fraction of the resources required by traditional growing. So as you can see here, this is the Sprouts.io design. So as seen here, this is the lamp which is adjustable. The basin where the plant is placed and a Wi-Fi modem here so that it can be used via IoT. So there are also sensors here that measure temperature, humidity, water level, and conductivity, as well as an electronic mister, and it's also expandable, adaptable, and removable. So this is another view of the design of the Sprouts IO device. So as you can see here, the LED lamp is adjustable based off how tall the plant is becoming. And these are the basins where the plant will be fertilized. So the background, the current food system fails to produce nutritious food. So as said here, it states that most food today is synthetic and produced in mass, but it is not generally as safe or as healthy as organic food from soil. Produce is picked prematurely and intended to ripen during transit rather than on the vine, reducing nutrient content and flavor. The supply chain is also inefficient, with over 50% of the produce lost from farm to table. Sprout, Sprouts.io shifts the dependence on industrial agriculture, repositioning people from the end of a flawed supply chain to the center of their own healthy food cycle. So the idea of Sprouts.io is to provide people with healthier alternatives as from the synthetic factory-made produce, which is not always safe.
Now I'm going to show you a video about the features of Sprouts.io. Sprouts.io has high efficiency, spectrum tune, and smart LED lighting. Also has plant health imaging, status indicator light, adjustable lamp arm, plant growth measurement, SIO integrated centrifuge, watering loop, growth support loop, fruit viewing ring, water level measurement, integrated drainage, removable sensor module, dishwasher safe basin, cart management, plug and play, and it is app controlled. So how does Sprout.io works? So I'm going to show you another video on how to use Sprouts.io. So first place the basin on the lamp arm base. Then turn on the device and launch the app. Create an account and connect the device to Wi-Fi. Name your Sprouts.io. Place the SIO on the basin. Then the camera will recognize the SIO and knows the growing profile set of the plant. Add water to the basin. Adjust the lamp arm to the lamp head is approximately 6 inches above. So that's it. So the Sprouts.io experience begins by choosing an SIO seed subscription. When placed in the device, the SIO automatically activates the plant-specific growing profile. The mobile app then provides system controls and performance data, transforming your phone into an all-in-one gardening tool. So, by transitioning from hydroponic to aeroponic environments and stimulating road phases with specially tuned lighting and irrigation, growth rates are 2 to 3 times faster than conventional growing. System level learning optimizes performance over time, creating an increasingly efficient feedback cycle for all connected Sprout IOs. So that's all, and thank you for listening.